implement KPI, one of the things, the one that always we must do is we must align our KPI with the company objective. That is the most important thing that we must do. And of course, we have to make it simple, not too complicated. If it is too complicated, the staff will give up and then the project will fail. We also need to communicate well to the staff about this KPI measure, because every time you do something new, there's a chance that the staff will reject it. And after a while, you also need to revisit your KPI to see whether what the objective, the one that you set, and the measurement, the one that you select, whether is the right thing or not, by looking at your financial goal and your KPI objective achievement. So there may be a requirement that you revisit your KPI setting and do some improvement to it.